Coinbase versus Robinhood, which investment app wins? Choosing the right platform can completely change how you grow your portfolio without unnecessary fees or confusion. We'll look at cryptocurrency-focused Coinbase and the versatile Robinhood side by side. Coinbase and Robinhood are two popular investment apps with different focuses. Coinbase specializes in cryptocurrency trading and education, while Robinhood offers a broader range of assets including stocks, ETFs, and crypto. The core difference lies in Coinbase's crypto depth versus Robinhood's multi-asset approach. Coinbase is a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange and wallet designed to make buying, selling, and storing digital assets straightforward. It works by connecting users to a secure platform where they can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, track market trends, and access educational resources. Coinbase's strengths include a user-friendly interface, strong security measures, and extensive crypto options, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned crypto investors. The platform supports features like staking and recurring buys, adding to its versatility. However, Coinbase's fees tend to be higher compared to some competitors, and it focuses exclusively on cryptocurrencies, so investors seeking stocks or ETFs need another app. Its ideal user is someone focused on building a crypto portfolio with reliable security and educational support, willing to pay a premium for ease of use and asset variety within crypto. Robinhood is an all-in-one investment app offering commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It operates by providing a streamlined platform where users can manage diverse portfolios without trading fees, making investing accessible to a wide audience. Robinhood's strengths include zero commissions, an intuitive mobile experience, and instant access to multiple asset classes, which appeals to investors wanting to diversify beyond crypto. It also offers fractional shares and cash management features. However, Robinhood has faced criticism over customer service and occasional outages during high market volatility. Its crypto offerings are more limited compared to Coinbase, with fewer coins available and less advanced trading tools. Robinhood is best for investors who want a simple, cost-effective way to trade stocks and crypto in one place, especially beginners or casual traders who prioritize low fees and ease of use. Comparing Coinbase and Robinhood comes down to your investment goals. If cryptocurrency is your main focus and you want a secure educational platform with a wide selection of coins, Coinbase is the better choice despite higher fees. For example, a crypto enthusiast looking to stake or explore new tokens benefits from Coinbase's specialized tools. On the other hand, if you want to build a mixed portfolio including stocks, ETFs, and crypto with no commissions, Robinhood offers more flexibility and cost savings. A casual investor who trades occasionally and values simplicity will appreciate Robinhood's all-in-one approach. The trade-off is that Robinhood's crypto features are less robust and Coinbase doesn't support traditional assets. So, it's a choice between crypto specialization or multi-asset convenience. Choose Coinbase if cryptocurrency is your priority and you value security, educational resources, and a wide range of digital assets despite higher fees. Opt for Robinhood if you want commission-free trading across stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto in one easy-to-use app. It's ideal for investors seeking diversification and low costs. Both platforms excel in their domains, so pick the one that fits your investment style best.